So I'm here in my new house, in my new kitchen, and we have not moved in yet because we're doing a complete renovation. And when I saw this house, I was so in love with the kitchen, but just not the color of the cabinets and the, what is this called, man? The island. We're doing lighter wood here. We're gonna paint the island a different, like, was it a gray? A gray, and it's gonna be like cabinets all along, all around the island. And you see how massive this island is? Come over here. I can't reach the middle, so I just feel like it's such a waste of space from here to there. We're gonna shorten the island a little bit forward. This sink, originally we were gonna keep it here, but it just made sense because I film so much. I wanted just a clean surface area, so we're gonna move this sink to over here, babe.
Yep.
What I'm really excited about is, of course, my stove. Blue Star is actually gifting me this beautiful like range stove with stainless steel and a hood. I'm just really excited to install this because right now this is just...
It's electric. It's electric.
Pantry. And here is just so much space because I have so much stuff, the recipe so much. I just need more space to cook, and I feel like this is the kitchen that's gonna give me room. Come back with YouTube time. I will show you the after right now. Welcome to my kitchen. This has been 5.5 months of renovations. We just moved in, not even a month now, so not everything is ready. It's not really decorated, but I still want to show you guys the after. You saw the before. So from what I remember showing before, this island was like out this way and it curved out. So we just chopped it off and moved it in there because we couldn't even reach the middle of the island before. And this is a quartz. And you can see right here the gray veining that I really like is very subtle. When I designed the kitchen, I wanted it to be like the Gap. And when I say the Gap, I mean like not too trendy, nothing that will be like I couldn't sell in 20 years. I just wanted to be evergreen. So like make it the Gap. And then when you wanted to add a splash of color decoration, you could bring that in and make the room yourself. But almost like a blank canvas. We always ran out of space in the other house. So when we designed this kitchen, I said, I want a lot of cabinet space, a lot of storage. So every single thing you see, all this is storage that I have more than enough. Like a lot of this is empty, but I haven't actually unpacked the kitchen much. If you look behind me, and I'm not gonna show you, it's just boxes and boxes. One of the few things I really like that are just like I didn't even realize about this kitchen was like just like the white space, because I was always trying to find space for like my cutting boards. Right, so lots of cutting boards and stuff, and it's like a soft close, which again I did not know that my contractor did it. I just said yes to everything, whatever. This is like a speed oven, so it's like air fryer, microwave, oven, all that. So it kind of like takes up all the appliances out of the way. This is cool because I decided to use this as like all my baking sheets and just lids. I'm constantly looking for lids. I have so many pots and pans for like, I have 2 of everything just because they send me so much stuff. So I have like lids on top of lids. So it's just nice to have it all in one place. Because I used to store this in the oven because I had no space. On to my favorite part of the kitchen. Like we designed this whole kitchen around my stove. And this is from Blue Star Appliances, which is elite. It's like top of the line. They've won so many awards. Like if you want an appliance and if you could afford it, this is the stove you want. So it's 8 burners. Well, right now it's just 6, but you could do like swap it out to 8 burners or 12 burners. I don't remember. There's a grill. So we grilled some steaks here the other night, and there's a pan. Like where's all the drippings go to? So all the drippings come out here and you just take these sheets out and just wash them. Like it was just so convenient. And then like for pancakes or bacon and eggs in the morning, we also have this griddle. I still haven't used it. Like I don't want to dirty anything up. So I've like stuck to one stove. Okay, I don't want to dirty up my beautiful kitchen. But let me just leave that out so you could see just like the functionality of it. And like the burners are great because you have like low, high, like medium setting, and because of all these little, I'm just doing a really terrible job of explaining it, but you could take these off and clean it, but it's like really strong. But if I wanted to, I could take this out and put my wok in, because if the flame is like so high, I could do like a wok in it too, which is amazing because we do a lot of stir fries like that. And this is a double oven. You can see the word blue star. Right here is a double oven. You can see it's spotless because I don't want to use it. I don't want to get dirty. We had a Super Bowl party and someone wanted to heat up jalapeno poppers. And I'm like, okay, fine. These knobs, they come in multicolors, so I'm gonna order a couple of them and change them up through the seasons. Like I'm gonna have a fall color knobs and winter and spring and summer, but just to add us like splash of color in between seasons. But I love it. I love it. This is my hood. Here's the light. So what's amazing about this hood is it's very, very strong. When we were cooking the steaks, like it was like flames and smoke, and my brother came in, he didn't smell a thing because it just sucked it up. I have it on the low right now because it's really loud when we do it, but here's the high setting. Look at that! Asian household, we hate cooking and frying things that make the house smell. My mom is obsessed with it. This is her favorite part. I'm like, oh my gosh, because she was like, don't cook in your kitchen, the house will smell. I'm like, what are you talking about, Mom? So now that we have this hood, she's like, go ahead and cook on it. Just make sure you turn on the stove really high. Then we have this joke that we have in my house that my husband always puts our random garbage can like next to our stove. So when we designed the house, I had to make sure that the garbage was next to the stove while he's cooking. Convenient, so there's recycle and garbage, which perfect. I try to do things with convenience. So here's like my spice rack. I love these spice jars. I need to order more from Spice Your Way, but she just labels them. And there's more down here that I need to label, but like so far, I just love cooking and just grabbing spices and putting them away. Sink here is really deep, so I really love that. This is touch. Everyone at the party was so confused, like how to turn on and wash their hands. And then this is, drinkable water, so we have it filtered. Let's drink water. And these are like really cute. You just put your sponges here. What else do I love about this kitchen? So many things, so many drawers. And here is my Blue Star refrigerator. It's, again, top of the line, beautiful. Like, I never thought I would have a refrigerator like this. It's deep and it's long. I just want to show you, like, you can pull this out. Okay, this is a real house fridge, okay? So don't judge me. This is dog food for Charlie. All this kind of pulls out. Does this pull out too? See, I just discovered this. This pulls out too. I just discovered this today when I was cleaning it. But isn't that cool? Yeah, and it's just like you can move these to make it higher or lower. So this was actually like one lower. We wanted all the milk, so we just moved it up one more. And it's just plenty of space. I just love all the space. And we get to fit everything in here. And then there's the freezer, which is down here. This is nakatamales from Thanksgiving, or no, Christmas Eve. My in-laws always order that for us. Always order extra. And then ice. And we always freeze garlic because I don't like to peel garlic, guys. Just a little hack. But yes, this is my beautiful kitchen. We've been filming today. Made a Asian cucumber salad. Recipe coming soon. And we're gonna film some spring rolls. And this is my healthy dishes kitchen. Thanks for watching.